Yes, we're going to cover the chain unwinder. So if you're new here, please do subscribe. Please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. Please do smash that notification bell to get notified when I release the latest tutorial. Right, so basically the chain unwinder, I'm going to go over a few different variations, and this was pretty quick, okay? So what you need to do, okay, is say, go here, and you've got your palm, your hand here, you're going to clench it. What you're then going to do is you're going to turn your hand like this, so it's facing out and then up. Doing this really, really quick, yeah, is going to help you get this chain unwinder. Okay, so you go here, then there. Okay, I'm turning and facing my wall. Remember, my thumb's facing down here. I'm then going to turn my hand so it's facing that wall, my thumb's up. Okay, so if you notice how the thumb's down and the thumb's up, yeah, that's what you're going to want to be doing, okay? Is just so you know when you need to turn your hand, you see? Because my thumb's facing down here, my palm's facing that wall, but if my palm's facing that wall, my thumb's up. Yeah, so it's just getting used to that effect, okay? Second of all, what you need to do is you need to put it, like, so you've got this gap here, put it there, and you can do the same. Okay, but this one, okay, if you notice how I've got it round these fingers here, and I've got my thumb locked here, this is the other version of the chain unwinder. It's a little bit more difficult, but this one you tend to come off with thumb rolls and stuff like that, okay? So watch, in the centre here, lock your thumb in, and you're basically turning it from facing that wall to basically facing the floor. Do you see? But this really does come in handy for popping those extra thumb rolls in afterwards, which I am pretty notorious for. Okay, so I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you again soon, guys. This you're going to need to learn the turning chain unwinder pass, okay? It's a snapback move, which is coming in about 3 weeks, which looks like that. Okay, you're going to need to learn this chain unwinder, and one of the next tutorials I got coming out, which is in about 2 weeks. Okay, so see you next Friday, and see you every Friday till the next year. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon.